Best practices to remember when installing AZEK Trim. 1. Be sure to use proper fasteners, such as Cortex fasteners, stainless steel, or hot-dipped galvanized nails or screws. 2. Be sure to follow fastener spacing guidelines. Use 2 fasteners every 16 inches or less. For trim boards 8 inches and wider, use 3 fasteners at ends and every 16 inches or less. 3. Glue all AZEK to AZEK joints with AZEK cellular PVC cement. Be sure to apply adhesive to the entire joint to ensure the best adhesion. 4. If you plan on painting, be sure to use AZEK-approved paints only and follow AZEK's paint guidelines. 5. Reference our full installation guidelines and warranty before installation. All AZEK trim options are made from rot-resistant PVC and are backed by a lifetime limited warranty. You now know how to install AZEK trim successfully. Visit azekexteriors.com for more information.